Liftmaster Security Plus.
The problem with the garage door going down 12 inches and then self-reversing is because the sensors are misaligned. This bracket was loose. This is a sending unit. I had to retighten this, and then you make sure on the receiving end you get a steady green LED. If that part is correct, then you can make the adjustment here by loosening the wing nut and moving the sensor up and down until you get a solid LED. If the arrow flashes 4 times down and 6 times up, that means there's an error.